Hey streamers, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a free-to-view live channel on your main streaming demo. So that is on the Hello WpStream theme on the main streaming demo. All the information and links are down below. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our admin section and click on Add New Free-to-View Live Channel. We can add a title for our live stream. All information in the description, so what the video is going to be about, any images, video preview, video trailer, and things like this. For this channel, I want to stream a day in the life, and I'm also adding a featured image, any tags, categories, and things like that. You don't have to do all this, but it will help your SEO if that is something you're interested in. But if not, it will also be more visually appealing to your viewers. So make sure you add all this. Let's publish our channel. And once we publish our channel and go to view the channel, you will see that all the information will be over here, but you're not streaming yet. In the next video, I'll show you how to actually go live. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date.